Hi, in this presentation I'm going to talk about the bolsheviks. Here is the index where it explains the themes I'm going to explain you. The first thing I'm going to talk about is who they were and what they defended. They were known by the population with the name of Reds and were a left radical group. They were communists too. That means that they believed in a system where all the properties are owned by the community. Each person receives in relation of what they need and the abilities they have. It was founded by Vladimir Lenin, and when he died in the year 1924, Joseph Stalin preceded him. Vladimir Lenin in politics was controversial. He was well educated by his parents and had a great culturization. Joseph Stalin was raised in a Russian Orthodox Christian family. He became cruel so young due to the fact that he suffered of bullying. Here we can see two photos of them, Lenin and Stalin. The Bolsheviks did a lot of important things while they were in power. But how did they arrive to the power? During the Russian Revolution and due to a revolt, they overthrew the government. They relocated the capital to Moscow. On the right, we can appreciate a photo of the actual Moscow, which is really beautiful. They negotiated with the Germans the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk and killed the Romanov family. The Red Terror was a period of time of political repression, and they killed a lot of people during that time. That's why the name is Red Terror. That happened because of a lot of precipitating factors. Some of them were radicalization of the fanatics, economic disorganization, and because they didn't give any importance to the life of people that didn't think the same way as them. Those photos really shocked me. They wanted to everyone become equal. They believed that the working class could liberate themselves someday of the dominance of rich classes. They had a lot of people in their group because those people were starving, and they promised them peace, land, and bread. Here are the websites I used to inform myself before doing the presentation. The first one explains a bit of history of the Bolsheviks, and the second one explains what is the Red Terror and what happened. The last two websites explain the biography of the most important people in that movement. In the back of the slide, we can see the flag they used to identify themselves. I hope you like it and learn something about them.